My name is Arga Sawung Kusuma. I'm Indonesian and I work in BOSF Foundation in Borneo. It will take around 7 years. This whole rehabilitation process. Yeah, I love my job. As you know that precious, like the most precious job in the world. So when the orangutan first arrive here, usually we got them since they are baby. They usually lost their parent from the circus and also from the plantation, illegal market as well. Usually when orangutan come here with malnourished condition, we have to treat them first here, quarantine them at least 2 months because we play with a huge population. So we have to make sure the orangutan healthy first. For the baby, we'll send them to infant group. They have no idea what they are doing in this world. So we have babysitter or surrogate mother, we call it, teach the infant to find real food in the forest and try to climb the tree. And after that, they will graduate to the forest school. Usually they will stay in forest school for another several years, like more challenging for them. So this orangutan can build a nest in the top of the tree, can find forest fruit, can avoid the dangerous thing like snake and everything. If there's a space in pre-release island, they will go to pre-release island. Technician will look after for them. They will feed orangutan in pre-release island 2 times a day. So after a year or 2 years, we will choose this orangutan as a candidate for release. Which one is really qualified to go to release the real home in the forest. We'll do again the medical check-up for tuberculosis, hematology, biochemistry, herpes, radiograph, worm and everything just to make sure the orangutan is healthy. BOSF Foundation already released around 2,000 orangutan. But since 2012, we started to collect this data. So we put transmitter in our orangutan. We can calculate our survival rate. So as I know, it's more than 70%. This kind of job, like looking after orangutan, cute orangutan, lovely orangutan. I can try to protect the nature, the environment, the forest, and also I can protect orangutan. So it's like a double combo. I cannot explain how lucky I am to be one of the vet here. That's why I love my job.